So I'm currently on site today to inspect a project that we're about to commence. We're about to convert this building into a bottled water factory and a pure water factory. So just join me as I inspect the building and give my take on it. So this is the entrance. I just came in through here, and this is the compound. You can see how big the compound is. And since they are thinking of setting up a bottled water factory here, they will need a big space, a big compound, because for bottled water production you will need vehicles to come in. That's your delivery vehicles, and your storage. You need a big place to store the water. They are doing bottled water and pure water here, so it should be enough. It should be enough. Here is where the borehole is, although the borehole is not connected yet, but we'll still visit here again to take some water for tests, to sample the water and see. And over behind here is the backyard. There are rooms there too for boys' quarters, which is not bad. These rooms here, you can have your staffs, those who will be producing for you, so that even though you have night production, it will be easier for them to come out from this room here, and you have the factory here. So space wise, I would say there's enough space here. Electricity, yes, there's electricity, because we just went around. I think there's still electricity up till now. And even if you want to have a generator here, you can bring the generator here. There's enough space to put the generator. So this is the side of the building. We'll be going inside now to see the inside of our proposed factory. So we're coming through here. This entrance will need to be expanded because of the monoblock machine. The monoblock machine is a wide machine, so it needs enough space to enter the factory. And here is what used to formerly be the parlor. This will be our main production hall. There are other rooms here. This used to be the kitchen. Here it can be expanded. That's, maybe we'll have to break down this wall, but it can be expanded as part of the floor space for the bottled water. You know, for bottled water production, there is the main monoblock machine itself, there is the conveyor, then the shrink wrapping machine. So this space should be enough for both the monoblock and the shrink wrapper. Then even the kitchen, I think the kitchen and this room here can be expanded, or this particular room, we can use this room here since it also leads to the main production hall. We can use this room here, then with the next room as our finished product room. Yes, this wall can be taken down, expanded with this room, then we'll use this whole place as the finished product room. Here we can store both pure water and bottled water. In short, if we want to expand it, we can also include here. We'll break down this place, include this room, and make it part of the finished product room. If you have a finished product room that is 3 rooms, there, here, and here, you produce a lot. Like you always have water in stock. Then here can be raw materials room. This particular storage. You can keep your raw materials here. I don't know how big the place is. Okay, it's not big enough. Maybe we'll have to expand it to the kitchen. But yeah, you can have our raw materials here. Or we'll expand it, okay, with this toilet behind you. Expand it to make it the raw materials room. And we also need to include floor drains. You know, when converting a building to a factory, most people sometimes they forget to put floor drain. Even at our factory, it was after we had already installed all the machines, we remembered, oh, we need a floor drain to let all the excess water go out. So yeah, we can have a floor drain here, have one there and around here, so that when the machine comes in, you can have your production and the water will just go out. You won't have water flooding the factory. So all in all, generally, I think this is a good space for setting up a pure water factory and a bottled water factory. There's enough space for pure water machines, enough space for bottled water machine. Like this space here can contain your monoblock machine. Here you can have your pure water machines. Then maybe you just need a little demarcation. There's this aluminium demarcation they do for buildings. We also used it at our factory. So we can have the aluminium demarcation here. It will demarcate between the bottled water side and the pure water side. So yeah, this is a nice building. You can set up a standard facility here, and it's a corner piece, so you don't have any neighbors that they will say you are disturbing them. It's okay. You can have your delivery vehicles outside here. That means they will make an exit here. The exit will be around here, so that when they finish production, the vehicle can take it out. So this is my own analysis on this building that we are converting into a pure water and bottled water factory.